What happens when rustic farmhouse charm meets sleek, modern design? You get the perfect barndominium, warm, open, and effortlessly stylish. If you've ever dreamed of a home that perfectly blends cozy country living with clean, contemporary lines, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of modern farmhouse barndominiums, exploring the stunning design ideas and layouts you're bound to fall in love with. Stick around, because we're about to show you how to create a space that feels both timeless and completely current. So what exactly defines a modern farmhouse barndo? It's all about the beautiful marriage of rustic and contemporary elements. Think of it as taking the best of both worlds. At its core, you'll find a neutral color palette, whites, grays, and beiges, that creates a bright and airy feel. This is often accented with classic farmhouse features like shiplap walls and impressive exposed wooden beams that add texture and warmth. But then, you bring in the modern twist with sleek black metal accents, minimalist fixtures, and large, open spaces. It's a style that champions comfort and simplicity while exuding an understated, modern elegance. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle that says, "I'm sophisticated, but I also love to kick back and relax." Let's start from the outside and work our way in. The exterior of a modern farmhouse barndominium is where you make that incredible first impression. A key feature you'll often see is vertical metal siding, which gives it that classic barn look, but with a clean, modern edge. To soften this industrial feel, designers often add natural accents like rich wood trims, stone foundations, or even a mix of horizontal siding. Large, black-framed windows are practically a signature of this style, flooding the interior with natural light and creating a striking contrast against lighter-colored walls. And of course, you can't have a farmhouse without a great porch. Covered porches or wraparound verandas are essential, offering the perfect spot for a morning coffee or an evening with friends. To top it all off, classic gable roofs or charming dormer windows add that final touch of traditional farmhouse appeal, making the entire structure look both grand and inviting. Now, let's step inside, where the magic really happens. The interior of a modern farmhouse barndo is all about open concept living. Imagine walking into a great room with soaring vaulted ceilings that make the space feel absolutely huge. Those exposed beams we talked about become a major focal point, drawing the eye upward and adding incredible character. The walls are typically painted in shades of white or soft neutrals, which serve as a perfect backdrop for the warm wood tones you'll find in the flooring, furniture, and decorative accents. The heart of the home, the kitchen, is a showstopper in this design style. We're talking about modern kitchens equipped with classic farmhouse sinks, beautiful quartz or butcher block countertops, and a large island that becomes the central gathering spot for family and friends. It's both functional and stunningly beautiful. And for those cooler evenings, a cozy fireplace, often with a simple, modern surround, creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The final touches come from carefully chosen lighting, like industrial-style pendant lights over the island, and the use of natural textures like linen, jute, and leather to add layers of comfort and style. It's a space designed for real life, where elegance and practicality coexist beautifully. Feeling inspired? Let's talk about how these design elements come together in some popular floor plans. If you prefer something a bit more minimalist, a compact modern farmhouse design might be for you. These smaller floor plans, maybe around 1,500 square feet, focus on maximizing light and space with huge windows and a simple, uncluttered layout. And for larger families, a popular plan includes a huge open living room, a practical mudroom right off the entrance for all those boots and bags, and a spacious kitchen with a walk-in pantry. Each of these layouts can be customized, but they all share that core principle of open, airy, and functional living. As we look ahead, a few design details are really trending for 2025 and beyond. Matte black is still reigning supreme. You'll see it everywhere, from faucets and light fixtures to window frames and barn door hardware. It provides that perfect, sharp contrast against the soft, neutral backdrop. The combination of exposed wood beams against sleek, white walls continues to be a go-to for achieving that perfect rustic modern balance. For flooring, polished concrete is gaining huge popularity for its industrial chic vibe and durability, while light oak hardwood or luxury vinyl plank offers a warmer, more traditional feel. And finally, Smart home technology is being seamlessly integrated. Think smart lighting that you can control from your phone and high-performance, energy-efficient windows that keep your home comfortable and your utility bills down. Now for the big question, what does it cost to build one of these dream homes? On average, you can expect the cost to build a barndominium to range from about $120 to $170 per square foot. Of course, this can vary widely depending on your location, the complexity of your design, and the quality of your finishes. High-end custom cabinets, stone countertops, and luxury appliances will push you toward the higher end of that range. A great tip to manage costs and enhance authenticity is to use local materials. Sourcing reclaimed wood for beams or siding from a local mill not only saves money, but also adds a unique story to your home. Also, consider looking into prefab or hybrid kits. These kits can significantly reduce construction time and labor costs, getting you into your beautiful new home faster. To really bring these ideas to life, let's look at a few real-world examples. First up is this stunning luxury barndo in the Texas Hill Country. It features a dramatic, all-black exterior with warm cedar accents and a massive wall of windows overlooking the property. Inside, the vaulted ceiling is covered in warm wood planks, contrasting beautifully with the polished concrete floors. The kitchen is a chef's dream with professional-grade appliances and a 15-foot island. It's the epitome of rustic luxury. On the other end of the spectrum, here's a more budget-friendly example that is just as charming. This family built their 1,800 square foot barndo using a prefabricated kit. They opted for classic white vertical siding with black trim and a welcoming front porch. Inside, they saved money by choosing luxury vinyl plank flooring that looks just like real wood and sourcing many of their light fixtures and decor from affordable retailers. This home proves that you don't need an unlimited budget to achieve the modern farmhouse look. It's all about smart choices and a clear vision. From sprawling luxury estates to cozy, budget-conscious builds, modern farmhouse barndominiums prove that you really can have it all. Rustic warmth, timeless charm, and sleek modern style, all wrapped up in one beautiful, durable, and efficient home. They offer a unique way to create a space that's perfectly tailored to your lifestyle. We hope you're feeling as inspired as we are. What was your favorite design feature or floor plan idea? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want more barndominium inspiration and building tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.